Rue, are you tired of fumbling with your sales funnel and you just can't get it up and running, and maybe you're not tech savvy even though they say you don't need to be tech savvy? I'm here to save the day. You can go grab my Stan Store link. I have a 14-day free trial to open a Stan Store. Guys, you can add all of your digital products inside of Stan Store. It's only $29 a month for the basic plan, but if you want to take it to the next level and create email flows, guys, I got you. It's $99 a month. You do not want to miss this opportunity to get your business up and running today. And if you don't have a product, because you definitely need a product if you're going to be a digital marketer, check out my Stan Store. It's absolutely amazing. Guys, drop down in the comments if you have any questions, if you need any help. Make sure you save this video so you can come back to it, because guys,